Hi traders, good day. So we are now live the Trading Crude Oil Market. Today is 14th of January 2019. We are now live for February 2020 contract. At this moment we are about 1 minute away for US session to begin. So we are going to place a short seller position at 51 about that price level. So let's check. So yeah, about 50. So should be a quick one, hopefully. Okay, let's take a look on all time frame whether this will have a good option for us to short sell the market. So we are about 30 seconds to go for a short sell position. So let's place some order. Okay, I send out all the signal. So let's wait and see. And the TP is 39 or 40. So let's wait. Okay, market open. So we are now live for US session. So let's wait. Okay, we are not yet in the market. So I will short sell my position and at here. So this is not a paradox setup, but we try to take the first. No, this one is not a paradox setup. This is paradox setup maybe later when we on the buying position. So we just want to take the quick pullback for US session. This is a special entry maybe, and not related to paradox. Okay, by the way guys, this is live trading. There's a link below in the description to join my live trading signal telegram channel, so you can feel free to click on the link. So in the okay, still waiting for the market to trigger our position, and let's wait. So we have a the short sell position at 58.50. So there's a high volume waiting here at 58.50, 143. So let's wait whether we can exit the market. So there's also high volume at 50 at 37. So let's wait. Hopefully this will have a good price movement today, and we can close early maybe, so we can have a good time a few minutes working as a traders and take a salary, and then exit the market, going home, close the chart. And that's what actually it means by a day trader. So we're still waiting. So there's a market maybe try to explode any moment. Okay, there's a large volume disappeared. Also large volume waiting at 58.51, 58.45, 50 at 37. So this is where I will take the short sell position at the beginning of a US session. So the paradox is not yet appeared at this moment, so maybe later could be on the buy position to 58.94 maybe. But okay, we in the market. So we in the market. Okay, let's be careful. Hopefully the price will go further down quickly. Okay, there's a high volume at 58.48, can be seen clearly. Okay, we are plus, so plus 30, you can see over here, plus 50, It's quite high. Oh, 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 quite interesting. Just keep on watching this volume. There's a large volume waiting here, also large volume waiting here. Keep getting higher. This is quite interesting. Maybe they are buying on the pullback, so hopefully the market will not reverse back. We are positive 3 ticks, which means around 30 US dollar. Target is around 100 or 110 or something like that. So let's keep going down. There's a large volume waiting on the high both sides, so market might spike any moment soon. So I believe this is a epic trade. So this gonna take a few minutes. I guess can go flat. I think it can go flat. 50, 60 US dollar. Keep counting. So there's a still large volume. Okay, keep counting. Oh, we hit the market. We hit the market. We hit the TP. It's good. It's good. Okay, I think that's all for the first trade. We'll resume back in the second trade. Thank you for watching and bye bye. I think we got around 110 US dollar, which means 11 ticks. So feel free to click link in the description below. See you in my next trading signal and my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. This is live trading with a live account.